Ever pondered the health benefits of rosemary, that fragrant herb often spotted in your favorite recipes? Well, there's more to this aromatic plant than meets the nose. First off, rosemary boosts digestive health. Traditionally, it has served as a remedy to aid digestion and relieve discomfort. By stimulating the production of bile, it promotes better digestion of fats, enhancing overall digestive function. Secondly, rosemary acts as a cognitive enhancer. Research shines light on its positive effects on cognitive function and memory. The aroma wafting from rosemary essential oil heightens alertness, concentration, and mental clarity. Next up, rosemary packs a punch of antioxidant protection. It's a treasure trove of antioxidants, including carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which neutralize free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. These antioxidants shield cells from damage and could potentially lower the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Also, rosemary is a natural anti-inflammatory. It contains compounds that reduce inflammation and pain in conditions like arthritis and muscle soreness. Regularly incorporating rosemary into meals may help alleviate symptoms of inflammation throughout the body. Moreover, rosemary supports our immune system. Its antimicrobial properties wage a war against harmful bacteria and viruses. Whether you're sprinkling it on your food or inhaling its scent in aromatherapy, rosemary contributes to overall immune health. Rosemary also shows promise in supporting heart health. Some studies suggest it improves circulation, reduces blood pressure, and lowers cholesterol levels. These effects could potentially reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases like heart attacks and strokes. But the benefits don't stop there. Rosemary oil is a popular ingredient in skincare and hair care products. Its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties promote healthy skin by reducing acne, soothing inflammation, and improving circulation. Plus, it stimulates hair growth, strengthens hair follicles, and alleviates scalp conditions like dandruff. Lastly, rosemary serves as a stress buster. The aroma of rosemary essential oil has calming and stress-relieving effects. Whether you're inhaling it through aromatherapy or using it in massage oils, rosemary helps reduce feelings of stress, anxiety, and tension. So, to sum it all up, rosemary offers a bundle of health benefits. It aids digestion, enhances cognitive function, protects against oxidative stress, reduces inflammation, supports the immune system, promotes heart health, cares for your skin and hair, and helps reduce stress. However, remember to use rosemary in moderation and always consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are pregnant or breastfeeding. So next time you spot that sprig of rosemary, know that it's not just a garnish, but a gateway to good health.